How to fix live option missing on TikTok. To access the live streaming feature on TikTok, you have to meet some criteria. To go live on TikTok, you must be at least 18 years old. If you're under 18, you won't be able to send or receive virtual gifts during live streams. Your account needs to have a minimum of 1,000 followers. If you have recently reached this threshold, it might take a few days for the live option to appear. You also want to ensure your account complies with TikTok's community guidelines. Violations can restrict access to certain features, including live streaming. If you meet all of these criteria and still do not get the live option, then the first thing you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar and here search for TikTok. Now, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. If updating the application doesn't work, then you simply want to reinstall the application. For that, tap on the uninstall option. Once TikTok has been uninstalled, you want to open Play Store and then install it again. Next thing you want to do is open up your settings. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Now find the TikTok option. Here tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache. You can also tap on Clear Data and delete the application's data. After this, launch open the application and check. You also want to make sure that you're using the TikTok application and not TikTok Lite. The Go Live feature is not available on TikTok Lite. You also want to verify regional availability. TikTok's live streaming feature may not be available in all regions due to local regulations or platform restrictions. If you're in a region where live streaming is restricted, you might not see the Go Live option. If nothing else works, you want to contact the TikTok support. For that, head over to your TikTok profile, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll all the way down and tap on Report a Problem. Then select Live. Now tap on I can't start a live option. Here tap on No, then tap on Need More Help. Now you simply want to type in your issue and TikTok customer support will help you fix your problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.